Welcome to Oceanconservancy, a website that highlights issues of global warming that's specifically affecting the oceans. The website was started in 1971, and currently they're working on 9 programs. Each program page is set up the same way, but I will highlight sustainable fisheries. The article starts with offering information about the program topic, and then highlights the problem. This one, quite simply, fish are being caught faster than their populations can replenish themselves. The article then offers solutions that they have found that are science-based. The solutions always cover some type of collaboration. They never try to boycott or shut down fisheries or any corporation, but instead they try to work with Capitol Hill representatives, this one specifically the Regional Fishery Management Council, to get regulations and mandates in place so that the fisheries can be sustainable but also still there. It highlights here in the program page that 1.7 million jobs rely on commercial recreational fisheries. So instead of trying to shut down the corporations or the fisheries, they're just trying to collaborate them with scientists. The scientists could then quantifiably track how many fish are being caught and then how many fish are being populated in that environment to ensure that the catching is sustainable. As you scroll through the website, the program then offers a Take Action page. This is where I would direct students, after they finish their research on the topic. The program in my class would then end with a culminating project where they actually have to do the Take Action tab and follow the task. This one, the students just write a letter to Congress telling them the research that they obtained, the issue, and the solution that they have found through the website at Oceanconservancy or any other solutions that they have thought of. Continuing through the site, there's also a blogs tab. The blogs tab simply posts articles that are always up to date and that are on pretty serious issues that deal with climate change with the ocean. 2 that I wanted to highlight here. They posted an article that pertained specifically to the coronavirus. It's called How Will COVID-19 Affect Marine Science? And students can read the article and see how something that they are being affected by, like COVID-19, can also directly affect the ocean. Another article that I wanted to highlight is called Representation Matters. Welcome to Minorities in Shark Sciences. This article was written about a company called Minorities in Shark Sciences. It was started by 4 women of color that want all women of color to feel accepted in any type of shark science field while also promoting diversity. So this is another way that students can see how issues that are directly affecting them can also be affecting the environment and how they can take their issues and connect them to ocean issues and become involved. In the About Us tab, it states their mission, and also an important feature here is it states they're experts. Virginia Literacy Standards has a writing strand, and within the writing strand there's a research strand. And that strand has a substandard that states teachers are supposed to specifically teach students the necessary skill of determining if websites or articles are credible or biased in any way. So this Oceanconservancy website offers a great tool for teachers to show that if students were to come here, they can actually click on any of the scientists, read about who they are, they can Google their name, they can go on their social media, they can figure out their areas of expertise, where they got their education, and also any publications that they wrote and were published by peer review research articles. And the teacher could then show the credibility of the site, the credibility of the information in the site, how real the issue is, who are the actual scientists that are researching it, and also tying it into a lesson on if students were to come across any information about science and if it was not done through a website that offers its credible sources, then maybe the information isn't so credible. The last feature that I want to highlight, though, is the partners. Oceanconservancy is very transparent with who their partnerships are. One area of concern that I had was that they do partner with large corporations like Coca-Cola. I would use this to teach my students that this is another way to see and test the credibility of a site, to kind of have them use a critical eye to see that if companies like Coca-Cola or CVS or any company that's in their partnership, they have many partnerships, if the companies are pushing any type of monetary bias agendas that are for their political agendas. So again, this would just be a good site to show students to have a critical eye to see if there's any biases, and to see if there's credible sources. And then, of course, on the main screen, you'll see here that you can insert your email to get more information on how you can help and donate. I did, and I hope you will too.